Geraldine, I got enough finished on Rome to take it out for a trip. Let's go. Well, our first night out camping, we found this really cool boat launch right on the Connecticut River. There's a dam right over there. And last night, the water was probably 3 or 4 feet higher than it is right now. What an awesome find for our first night. It was a little bit of a squeeze getting in there, and this branch is only 7 feet tall, but it's small, so we squeezed in to get this awesome spot.
I chose avoid highways on the GPS, and we took secondary roads all the way down to the Cape. They have their own LMTV here at the beach. We met up with friends and camped on the beach for a few nights. about 20 miles on the bike path. One night we had a campfire and a cookout on the beach with family and friends.